video, I will be doing a 10-minute routine to clear your energy field. So you can practice this if you've been with someone who gave you bad vibes, or you're sitting there and you feel something heavy on you and you don't know why and you don't know how to shake it off. At any time you feel like you have something you need to clear from your body, this is a great exercise and routine to do. So we're not going to be doing too many of the body movements that you're probably used to, because today we will focus on energy, which means you'll need to focus, concentrate, and feel the energetic senses in your body and primarily your hands. Great. So if you're ready, please sit in a comfortable half lotus posture, your spine straight. So no slouching like this, as straight as possible. Tuck your chin slightly inward towards you. Rest your hands palm down on your knees and close your eyes. First, let's bring awareness into our bodies. Our minds could be wandering from so many different things that we're thinking about. Let's bring it into our body. So first, imagine from the top of your head, your crown chakra, a small quarter-sized hole opens on your head. And now breathe in and out from that point, as if that point is open, letting in oxygen in and out. Let's take 3 breaths together. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now keep your eyes closed. If you want to peek and look at the movements I'm doing, you may, but don't lose your focus and awareness in your body. So now from this hole on the top of your head, imagine from the sun, a pillar of light comes down into your body and touches the top of your head. A bright golden pillar touches the top of your head and now goes down to your forehead, nose, jaw, neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands, chest, abdomen, hip joints, thighs, knees, ankles, toes, and to the bottom of your feet. And now, before we begin clearing the energy, let's ground our energy. First, roll your hands into a gentle fist with your thumbs tucked in. Using the pinky side, tap your belly button. Tap lightly on your belly button. And imagine the energy from your head sinks down into your lower abdomen, into your core. With gentle tapping, you will stimulate your mind to focus on your core. By focusing on your core, energy will gather in your core. Now at this time, if you can recognize some tension in your shoulders and neck, go ahead and gently shake your head side to side. And don't forget to breathe. Breathe naturally. Let's go 30 more seconds. Ground your energy into your core. And since you have this motion down, if your eyes are open, I invite you to close your eyes to focus on your body's sensation. Remember, today's session is about energy, so it's more important to focus on your body's energy sensation today. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Now, get your fingers like this. Relax your fingers, relax your wrist, and tap your fingers together. Tap the tips of your fingers. And still breathe naturally. Don't hold your breath. 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Now grab your palms and shake your wrists. Shake, 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 keeping your fingers relaxed. So you don't want to shake like this. Relax your fingers, shake your wrist. 30 seconds. Relax your shoulders and breathe. 15 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Feel your palms. Can you feel tingling? Can you feel magnetism? Do you feel warm? Now bring your palms closer together without touching. Whether you feel electricity, magnetism, or warmth, that's all energy flowing in your palms. Feel the sensation in your palms. If you can't feel it, focus on the space in between your palms. And now from here, open and close. Open and close to grow this energy sensation in your palms. And now when you can still feel that tingling and magnetism, go ahead and get your right hand and sweep your left arm up and down with this energy. Again, keep focusing on the energy sensation. If it's distracting to keep your eyes open, I recommend closing your eyes and focus on your palms. Good, and now grab your left hand and sweep up and down your right arm. Great, and now get both palms and from the top of your head, sweep down the center of your body. When you come up, palms up, breathe in. When you exhale, palm down and come down the center line of your body. Feel your palms. If you've lost the sensation, keep focusing on your palms, or you can come back here to grow the feeling again. Or you could repeat these steps to get the energy sensation back. So we're gonna sweep our energy 3 more times. Breathe in, up, and exhale down. Two more, breathe in, up. Exhale down. One more time. When you breathe in up, imagine you are embracing positive energy. Your arms are filling with light. And as your palms come down, you are pushing bright light into your body as you exhale. And rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Bend your upper body forward. Exhale. And roll your spine. Return. Now, if you want to do more on any specific area, you can go ahead and do it on wherever you need that energy clearing. You could do it on your heart, you could do it in your abdomen, your brain, arms, neck, sweep even more times, however many times you need to get that energy clearing.